portrait try from photograph. So first I wanted to do a grise-eye, so I was carefully selecting colors and trying to depict planes on the face. It wasn't coming out great, but whatever. Then try to add some details. You always want to leave a painting halfway decent, interesting, so you can return, and I certainly was not there yet at this stage, so try to put some refinement in there, and I suppose things were moving along in an orderly dysfunction of some kind. So then at this stage I left it overnight and thought, well, his eyes are really too big. I wonder why I can't do that on purpose to have the Matt Graves look or something, but I could not do that. So here today, trying to add more pleasing flesh tones, since it was all like greenish, pasty looking wax museum type appearance. Try to add some details to refine the lips, and then still the eyes being way too big was bothersome. So tried to make the eyes smaller, starting with the right eye, and here we go. Make the eyes smaller somewhere here. Okay, voila. So the eye got smaller, slight improvement. The picture reference is pretty 2D looking, and it doesn't really offer a lot of opportunities for the roundness of the face. So that's an obstacle to painting from a photograph if your reference does not have the proper shape. But that's where I'm at so far. I'm going to continue with this thrilling painting of the granddaughter.